Hello and welcome to the first in this series of tutorials on using TedEd for flip learning. Okay, so first of all we're going to just look at how to register and log in really. So you need to go to the TedEd website, so it's ed.ted.com, and if you haven't already registered, just click on register in the right hand corner here. I just click on that, and you just need to basically fill in your details just there, and it will create your account for you. Now I've already logged in, already registered rather, so I'm just going to log in now. And I'll be able to now upload a video and start working on it. Okay, so basically I'm logged in now. See my name here just in the corner. And I can look for lessons, look for other people's videos and other people's lessons that they've created around videos. And there's plenty of them, as you can see here. But I'm going to have a look now at my own page. So if I just click on my name, just want to show you how you can access this. Here you can see basically all the lessons that you've previously created. Okay, so now I'm going to add a new lesson. So I'm going to go to create a lesson just here and click on this. I'm actually going to add the same lesson as we're just looking at an example here, and then I can delete one of them afterwards. Okay, so go to create a lesson. And basically here you've got various ways in which you can find your video. Now the video I want to use is actually on YouTube. I'm not going to use one of my own ones for the purposes of this demonstration. And it's basically introducing students to film genres. So I found the video, and the quickest way then I can do it is just by copying the URL from the top and pasting it into the search box here and pressing enter. Now, as you can see, the video then gets chosen. I've selected this video for use in this flip lesson. If I want to do it differently, so I'm just going to close that lesson and I'm going to go back to create a lesson. I can actually just put in search terms here. So if I put in film genre, so if you haven't yet selected a video, type in your keywords and press enter. And you'll see that it automatically communicates with YouTube, and it gives you basically a selection of videos based around that keyword. So that's another way to do it. As it happens, the one I wanted is actually here. So I'll just click on it. And once I click on it, it basically becomes selected. It fills up the screen, and that's the video I'm going to work on. Okay, so that's how to basically choose a video. And once I've chosen the video and I'm happy with it, I'm going to go to flip this video just here on the right side at the bottom. And from there, I can start creating my lesson. Okay, so in the next tutorial videos, we'll look at basically how to add the different sort of parts of the lesson. But for now, just to let you know that you can change the name at the top. So the first thing to do, of course, is to give it a title. So I'll just call this film genres, very generic one. Okay, and also a couple of other things here at the top that are worth mentioning. Basically, you can decide whether you want your lesson to be listed or unlisted, basically. So I'm just using this kind of toggle thing here. So it says now your lesson will be discoverable by the TEDed community. So basically it's whether or not you want your lesson to be seen by other people and used by other people. So it's up to you really how you want to do it. You can also choose whether to allow flips of your lesson. So do you want people to basically be able to remix, your own lesson and sort of create their own version of it? Again, you've got the flexibility there to choose. So let's just say I'll go for yes in this case. You can also nominate things as a best flip. They have sort of competitions, where people choose their best flip lessons and so on. So I'll just leave that as no for now. And that's it. So I've got my settings ready, and in a minute we'll begin actually creating the lesson. One final thing is just to let you know that throughout the process of creating the flip lesson, you'll have these two buttons available. So one is preview, so you can obviously check how it's going, how it's looking, and once you're happy with it, you can finish the flip, and that will complete the process. Okay, so please join me for the next tutorial video, and we'll look at how to actually start creating questions for the lesson and so on. Thanks.